Annual HVAC maintenance. Why it's important. Ever wonder why your HVAC system always seems to break down at the worst possible time? The secret to avoiding inconvenient and costly breakdowns lies in annual maintenance. Here's why scheduling yearly HVAC maintenance is so important. Boost energy efficiency. A well-maintained system runs more efficiently, reducing energy consumption and saving you money on utility bills. Extend equipment lifespan. Regular maintenance helps prevent wear and tear, extending the life of your HVAC unit. Ensure safety. Technicians inspect for potential safety hazards, helping you avoid dangerous situations. Maintain your warranty. Many manufacturers require annual maintenance by a licensed professional in order to keep the warranty valid. Skipping this could mean footing the bill for major repairs. Don't let the Florida heat catch you off guard. Call Weather Engineers today at 904-593-3721 to schedule your annual HVAC maintenance and keep your system running smoothly all year long.